Hello everyone, I am Kiwi and today we will be making a perfect Spider-Man movie and this is the first part guys. So today we will be doing only casting of actors in the movie. It could be the person who have done a Spider-Man movie or not. And guys, we will try to be as comic accurate as possible. So let me know your casting for a perfect Spider-Man movie in the comment box. So guys, let's start. And also please like, share and subscribe to my channel because this kind of videos take a lot of time to make guys, and press the bell icon so you will not miss any of my videos. Thank you so much. The name of the movie will be guys Spider-Man vs. the Sinister Six.
Are you serious?
So we will cast as per the requirement of the story. So guys, the first casting is the obvious one, Peter Parker. Now we have seen Tobey, Andrew and Tom as live action Spider-Man so far, and most of the people think that Tom Holland is the most perfect actor to play Spider-Man or Peter Parker, because Peter Parker is a teenager who tries to balance his responsibility as Spider-Man and Peter Parker. And don't get me wrong, I love both Tobey and Andrew, but Tom has a look, aura which a Spider-Man and Peter Parker needs. So Peter Parker and Spider-Man will be Tom Holland. But he will not have his look as he is in the MCU. He will have a look like this and he will have this classic Spider-Man suit in the movie with very less technology. Now Mary Jane. In the comics, Mary Jane was slightly older than Peter Parker and Kirsten Dunst did a good job as Mary Jane in the Sam Raimi trilogy. And as per comics, it is very suitable that Kirsten Dunst plays MJ opposite Tom Holland's Peter Parker. The chemistry between them would be very interesting to see. Next is Gwen Stacy. Now many people want to see Hailee Steinfeld as Gwen in live action as she gave her voice of Gwen in Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse movie. But still I think Emma Stone did a fantastic job as Gwen in The Amazing Spider-Man 1 and 2. And I would be really up for seeing the love triangle between Tom Holland, Kristen Dunst and Emma Stone together as Peter Parker, Mary Jane and Gwen Stacy respectively in a Spider-Man solo movie. Now the supporting cast. I think there should be no discussion about J. Jonah Jameson casting. J.K. Simmons just sealed his position as JJJ with his performance. Now Uncle Ben and Aunt May. Now I'm going to cast an old Aunt May and Uncle Ben, not a hot chick as Aunt May as MCU. So after thinking a lot, I think Tom Hanks could be a great Uncle Ben for this movie and Sally Field as Aunt May. Now Peter's best friend in the comics, Harry Osborn. I will not experiment on this one and will go with Dane DeHaan as it deserves the second opportunity. As you guys know, it is a Sinister Six movie, so we will also have to cast Sinister Six. Now guys, I will be very obvious in this casting, so first let me tell you the villains who will be included in this theme. So it will be Vulture, Mysterio, Electro, Kraven the Octopus and the leader Norman Osborn aka Green Goblin. And I will cast the people who have already performed as the particular villain. Now Michael Keaton will be the Vulture, there is no doubt about it. Jamie Foxx should have a second chance to prove, so he will be the more accurate Electro. Mysterio will be played by Jake Gyllenhaal, but guys, in this movie there is no star tech and no drones, so he will have his power of magic and illusion naturally as per comics. Dr. Octopus and Green Goblin will be played by Alfred Molina and William Dafoe respectively. And for Kraven the Hunter, I had a lot of names in my head, but I have to go with Joe Manganiello because he has this look, intense look to play someone like Kraven the Hunter. So this will be the Sinister Six. Now guys, we will summarize the casting, starting off with Tom Holland as Spider-Man and Peter Parker, Kirsten Dunst as Mary Jane, Emma Stone as Gwen, Dane DeHaan as Harry Osborn, Tom Hanks and Sally Field as Uncle Ben and Aunt May, J.K. Simmons as J. Jonah Jameson, and William Dafoe, Alfred Molina, Michael Keaton, Joe Manganiello, Jamie Foxx and Jake Gyllenhaal as Sinister Six. Also, we have to cast Miles Morales and Ned Leeds for this movie. So let me know your pick for Miles Morales and Ned Leeds in the comment section. And the actors with highest votes will be casted as Miles Morales and Ned Leeds in this movie. So guys, we have done casting now. In the next part of series, we will talk about the story and the first draft of the movie. Let me know your perfect casting for perfect Spider-Man movie in the comment section. I am very excited to see your list, and also please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. I am KV signing off. Thank you so much. See you soon.